$2.90 for Thai constellation. This is a pretty leaf. This one $42.99 for philodendron caramel Pluto, I think it says. It's pretty leaves. Syngonium red arrow, $28.99. Syngonium, that's pretty. The black velvet, $28.99. There's a little baby next to it, same price. But this one's already trailing. And here's the Soderoy philodendron. That's $52.99. Is this a Thai? Let's see how much the babies are going for. Thai constellation $119. Philodendron orange marmalade is really pretty. That's the parrot in the background saying hello. As soon as I go over there, he gets quiet. Sun red philodendron, and these are $24.99. Very pretty. Here you have Humalamina or Humalamina. I'm not sure how to say that. $22.99. Camouflage babies. And here, philodendron golden gator for $22.99. It's pretty. And here are the larger camouflage Humalaminas for $72.99. Here is Calkins gold. And the price, $26.99. These are pretty too. Love that pop of color. And the Enjoys are beautiful. $22.99. I got a funny feeling I'm getting one of these today. Oh my God, look how long this one's trailing to the floor. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I think somebody's coming home with mama today. Okay, these small Billies are $52.99. Pretty. And here's a huge one. Let's see, I can't see the price. $186.99. I like these, but I don't have the room for a plant that spreads out like that. Here I see something I like. Oh my gosh. $28.99. Syngonium milk. Wait, what's it called there? There's a confetti, and then this is the milk confetti. Okay, sorry about that. It's a nice one. $28.99. It's huge. I like that. Pretty in my collection. All right, on this side we got philodendron melanochrysum. Melanochrysum, I don't know. $52.99 is the price. Gotta be careful because I'm seeing webbing everywhere. I don't know if that's spider mites or not. It is the time of year, boy. $42.99 for the philodendron white wizard. They're beautiful. Look at the stem. I don't have a white wizard. $42.99, yeah, for these small pots. Very pretty. There's another melanochrysum up there. It looks $52.99. It's pretty. Ah, okay. What else do we have out here? There's a fern table. I love the crocodile fern. I think I need to get one. Not today. Oh my God, look at this mayoi. So I have one at home. Yep. Let's see how much this pot is going for. I'm just curious. It is $119. Look at the size of this thing. I have to back up. So I need to work mine up a pole or something, because honestly do not have room if it's going to get this big. Of course, the humidity here is probably why these things have grown so much. 120. Look at the stem on this one. Wow. And this, oh, wow, that's nice. Well, I haven't shown it to you yet, guys, but I have a little baby epipinatum neon. But I like the way they worked it up on these bamboo sticks. I have mine on a pole, and it's already starting to latch on. Moss pole. And what is this? This is the epipinatum variegated. Doesn't have a lot of variegation though. But I like the neon. Look at the neons. Let's see how much these are going for. Can't see price on that one. Well, that one is $129. Let's go around here. Maybe I could get the price on this one. $82.99 for the neon, that size. Okay. Good to know. Look how big the leaves are. Oh yeah, I'll take good care of mine. Ah, look at this. Beautiful. I'm sorry, am I a little excited being here? I love these. And these. $26.99. And this one is $8.99. Look at the flower. Isn't that pretty? This little fickle missy here. Mine croaked on me. This is 25. There's 2 stems in the plant. I mean in the pot. It's very pretty. I have no idea why mine started dropping leaves. Whoa, if you could see the webbing here. So pretty. Here we have the white princess, $42.99. And a pretty stem. Now with the pink in that stem, does that mean we're going to get some pink on these leaves? I don't have one, so I'm not that familiar. Look at that beautiful stem. $42.99 for these sizes. Okay, look at the prices come down on these. $32.99. Shiveriana Moonshine. Look at this one. I kind of like the variegation on that one. These are $125.99. $26.99 for this little baby. She's growing another stem in there. Really pretty. I look at these every time. $72.99. Ooh, that pot is heavy. Peperomia table, $8.99. It's beautiful, variegated. Rubber plant, we call them. The watermelon, $9.99. $8.99. They all seem to be $8 and $9.99 over here. Hello, Chico. Hello. Hello, Chico. Hello. Oh, now you're talking for me. Hello. Hello. Look how big this Cebu blue has grown. I've shown you this one before. So pretty. It's a smaller one. Nice big leaves. $9.99 for these cute pots. Look at that one with the color. Get ready for Halloween. Syngonium Godzilla is what this is called. Let's see a price on it. Yeah. Price is 80 bucks. Here's another Cebu blue. I have to give mine a stick. Look at the leaf. These pots are $119. Look at the size. This leaf, wow. All right, I'm out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.